Hey guys, in the last video we showed you how to install a curb top in a shower, a quartz curb top, and how to cut that back using the CGX 115 diamond blade. This is our favorite blade as of right now. It's awesome. There are limitations to it though. You shouldn't be using this to grind different types of ceramic and porcelain, and that's where this STL diamond cup wheel by Montolit comes in handy. These diamond cup wheels actually come in two different grits. The gray is fine grit and the red is medium grit. STL cup wheels are a little bit different than a traditional diamond blade because they have a support flange on the back. So a few things about angle grinders and safety. First of all, they come with two different kinds of flange. So this is the support flange, this gray, dark gray one. This goes over top of the spindle here, and then your diamond blade would fit over top of that. Now you see this gold inner circle here, you need to knock that out for a 5/8 inch arbor like on this angle grinder. So we knocked that out for this green line blade by Montolit, and it fits perfectly in there like so. And then you would put the clamping flange over top of that. It just screws right over. You press down on this button and you tighten it using the wrench that's provided with the angle grinder. The STL diamond cup wheel works a little bit differently. You can leave the support flange on and simply spin it onto the angle grinder while holding down the button still. So you want that to be super tight. And you always want a wheel guard to protect yourself from sparks and flying debris. When you're using an angle grinder, you definitely want to use a silica dust respirator kit like this one from Sunstrom, safety glasses, hearing protection, and definitely gloves. All right, now it's time for the fun part. Let's run some tests using the STL diamond cup wheel. The first test that I wanted to do was create a beveled edge using the STL diamond cup wheel. As you can see here, I'm holding it at a 45-degree angle to the tile, and it's just chewing right through that porcelain. No problem whatsoever. And these beveled edges do come in handy whenever you're setting tile. Believe it or not, you may have to get a beveled edge for a variety of different situations. So the next test was to grind, and I cut a little groove into this porcelain, and then I used either side of the STL to widen that gap. And then I wanted to see how it would do on a standard straight cut, and again, no problem whatsoever in this porcelain tile. The other test, which I thought was really great, was shaping tile. So how well would it work to shape porcelain tile? And so as you can see here, again, no issue whatsoever in shaping both the top surface and the bottom. So real nice angular cut. At the end of all my tests, I wanted to do something fun, and I thought, hey, this is starting to shape into something familiar. And I created a little eyeball here and some fins on top, some fins in the middle to create a little piranha tile, because after all, the STL will eat through anything. The STL diamond cup wheel can cut through granite, porcelain, ceramic, natural stone, and even concrete. Just be safe when you're using it, and if you're interested in buying this, we'll put a link down in the description below to our online store where we sell a lot of different Montolit tools. But the STL diamond cup wheel is pretty awesome, as you saw. And if you have any questions, please let us know. We'd be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching today's video, and we'll see you in the next one.